Nail glue for acrylic nails, suitable for professional nail experts or nail learners. Great value sets 0.07 ounces, 2 grams each pieces, 100 pieces in one kit. Long lasting, the glue will make your glue on nails stay for weeks if you don't use your hands a lot. How to remove. Please soak in acetone polish remover until artificial nail glues dissolve. Do not destroy or peel off the nails directly. Warm notice, the glue is sealed, you need to cut the tip by yourself before using. And keep the bottle away from the face and body when opening. Top reviews from the United States. Great super glue for day-to-day use. I keep stocked in this super glue all the time. It has a very strong hold, but the brush means you can do very thin coats for precision application. I use this for everything I need to glue and even as a liquid bandage. I've tried other brush applicator super glues and find the brushes get stiff and the bristles stick together, making it useless, but not this glue.